everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. You all know you will have to be safe in this pandemic, but the safest way is for you to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Do not touch your eyes, your nose, or your mouth. Make sure you wear your face mask. I don't know how effective it is, but it's recommended. If you can, wear a glove when you go out to do shopping and stuff like that, but have a hand sanitizer in your purse or in your wallet. No, you cannot fit a wallet in your pocket or somewhere when you go outside, because you need to use it as often as you can. Okay, let's get started with the video. You will need I have a 91% alcohol. You can use a rubbing alcohol, but make sure it's 90 something percent, you know, for it to be effective. I'm gonna do two different type of hand sanitizer. The first one I'll be using aloe vera, and the other one I'll be using glycerin. I will have all this product on the description box below, so you can go look for it in anywhere you live. You go find it. I have a measuring cup that I'll be using for my measurements, and I have a spoon. I have 1/2 cup and 1 teaspoon. So let's get started. These are my bottles that I need to put my hand sanitizer in when I'm done, because I used to have hand sanitizer here. As you can see, it's almost done, so I have to refill. So first I'll be doing the glycerin recipe. So I will put 1 teaspoon of glycerin right there, and I'll put 1/2 cup of alcohol, 91% alcohol. Let me open it very well. Ugh, splashed on my face. There you go. Mix it all up. It smells like alcohol. I mean, it's alcohol, so it has to smell like alcohol. I've seen a recipe where they use both aloe vera and alcohol and glycerin, so I really don't know how effective that is, but according to World Health Organization, you can do this or you can do that. It doesn't really matter. And the glycerin is for moisturizing. The glycerin moisturizes the skin. It doesn't make it dry, because alcohol makes stuff dry, so the glycerin helps to moisturize. I'm gonna pour this in here, and that is my hand sanitizer. Okay, c'est fini. It's finished. It's done. Good and effective. Hand sanitizer is ready to be used. That's it. It's as easy as that. Okay, let's go to the next recipe. I'll close this up. Next recipe, I'm gonna put 1/2 cup of aloe vera. If you don't have your measuring spoon or measuring cup, I don't know how to help you. You can use your instincts. How do I keep this? Whatever, I'll clean it up later. Ew. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, that looks good. See, that's a 1/2 cup right here. And I'm gonna put the alcohol and make it up to 2 cups right there. No, is it 2 cups? No, 1 cup. I think so. I don't know. I forgot the recipe, but I'm gonna make it 1 cup just for it to be thick. Right here, it's already half cup. So there you go. Oops. Okay. That's it. Mix it all up. Mix it very well because you don't want to have clumps. Because this aloe vera has to dissolve. So tell me, how are you guys doing? Make sure you leave a comment for me below. Okay, if you try this recipe, leave a comment for me below. If you have any idea of any other recipe for me to make, leave a comment for me below. And make sure you like this video. Please like this video. I don't want to say make sure. I mean, it's your decision. I just poured alcohol on myself. Actually, it's an aloe vera. Actually, it's a hand sanitizer. Yay, it's all done. This is more like mushy. Do you understand what I mean? I don't know if you understand, but this one is more mushy. Why? The one with the glycerin is more liquid. So it's your choice. What kind of aloe vera do you like? Do you like the liquid one that you can just spray with the spray bottle? You understand what I mean? Or you like the mushy one you can use with mouth like that, just to, you know, like the actual hand sanitizer that we usually get from the store. It's your decision, but I don't know. Me, I have no preference right now. As long as it does the disinfectant job. This is more thick than the glycerin one. And this is the more popular one, the one with the aloe vera gel. A lot of people are doing that now. But this aloe vera gel, it can clog the, according to some people, it can clog the mouth of this when you're trying to you know, to what? Squeeze it out. Yeah. See? They are all settled in the bottom, the aloe vera gel. Oops. Trying not to cause an accident. Yeah. Oh. I'm sorry if you hear some noise. My son is in there somewhere looking for me, I guess. No. Mushy. You don't want to waste any. I'm just gonna use those ones. Oh, I feel aloe vera gel. It's so thick. Yeah, but it's not gonna be as moisturizing as this one because this one has some. The glycerin makes your hand more moisturized. But anyways, it does the job. So I'm protected and I'm good. Not really protected, not 100% protected, but so that's it for this one. And I think I'm gonna try using the, oh, this one is more thick. I think so if you actually want to get the actual original hand sanitizer that you buy outside, you should use the aloe vera gel. Yeah, it's really like, oops, I don't know if you can see, it's really like hand sanitizer-y. Ooh. It's giving me the vibe. It's giving me the hand sanitizer vibe. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm loving the one with aloe vera gel. I'm loving it. This one with the glycerin, I can just use it like as a spray. Yeah. But it's not giving me the aloe vera gelish one, you know. But this one is awesome. Wow. And if you have essential oil, you can even add to it just to give maybe just 1-2 drops, not too much, just to give it some perfume, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. You ladies that like something that smells really good, add essential oil to it, just a few drops, okay? And you get your scented aloe vera gel. Hey, sorry, my bad. Scented hand sanitizer. This is very thick though. I'll still go with this one. This is the perfect one. The one with the aloe vera. I used like half cup of aloe vera and half cup of alcohol. Okay, Amy. Half cup of aloe vera and half cup of alcohol gives you this perfect hand sanitizer. Like perfect. Yes. Go with this recipe. Half cup of aloe vera and half cup of alcohol. Perfect hand sanitizer. Alright, thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Amy, why are you laughing? Come say subscribe. Come here.
Okay.
Say subscribe.
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 Sub. Say subscribe.
Subscribe. And some share.
And share. Oh, thank you so much. And say like and leave a comment.
Like and leave comments.
Leave a comment.
Leave in comments.
Whatever she said, I hope you understand. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Peace. Peace out.